Hi, I'm Josh Cook and I'm here with Euro Car Parts. And are you a driveway warrior who likes to get stuck in on the weekends? We're going to go through some of the tools that you must have in your toolbox. So of course, having a jack such as this to lift the car up, if you need to change your wheel, check your brakes, anything like that is a good idea. However, a bit of a serious one, you should never ever be going underneath your car when it's jacked up without a safety stand such as this one. This one is foldable, you can change the height, but it is really good practice and really adamant that you don't go under it without one of these stands in place. Are you working on your car late in the evening, after work, or just trying to get in the back of an engine bay where there's not great light? It's always a bright idea to have a torch. A set of spanners such as this that ranges from 6mm to 32 is always a really good thing to have. They're a universal tool, you need them to work on every car, so it's a great one to have back in your toolbox. If you're trying to cover a multitude of jobs, a good thing to have is a set of 3-piece locking plier grips, also known as mole grips. They're great for adjusting, holding on to things like anti-roll bar drop links that you're trying to remove, things like that. But they're just a good tool to have for all-round general use. A must-have if you're working in your garage or in your driveway is a small magnetic tray just like this. If you're removing any fasteners, nuts, bolts, things like that, you don't want to lose them. So just throw them in here, they stay there, they won't get knocked over and you won't lose them. So if you're doing anything at home, you're going to need a general toolkit, and this is a 150-piece toolkit with a lockable chest. It's got everything from normal spanners to Allen keys. You've got a socket set in here as well, and you can also cover imperial and metric. That means if you're working on an older car or maybe an American car, this kit will have you covered. You also have Torx bits and screwdriver bits, so if you need anything, it's in here. You can buy all these tools and a lot more on the Euro Car Parts app.